Hey guys, how to fix iPhone screen freezing problem. Today in this video, I am going to talk about some method. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. So let's see. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Method 2. Charge your iPhone. Sometimes a low battery can cause freezing. So you charge your iPhone if the battery is low. Method 3. Close background apps. To close background apps, you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, like this. Then from here, you close all these apps, like this. Method 4. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings won't delete your data, but it will reset all settings to their default value. To do this, you go to Settings. After that, you click on General. Then here you scroll down. From here, you click on Reset. Now here you see the option Reset All Settings. You click on this. Here you enter your phone passcode. After entering phone passcode, this option will come. Here you see the option Reset All Settings. You click on this to reset all settings. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. Thank you.